안녕하세요. Hi everyone, this is Jia. Today I want to share with you a nice way to make a tomato smoothie using fresh tomatoes and tofu. Many people think that tofu can be used for only savory dishes. But if you mix tofu with a few ingredients, it tastes super good. I really fall in love with this smoothie these days. Let me introduce this to you. All we need today is tomatoes and tofu. Use ripe tomatoes, and today we'll be using this amount of tofu. This is firm tofu. All you need to do is just cut tomatoes in the wedges. I've always found myself wanting to include fresh vegetables and protein in everyday my meal. I often eat this smoothie for breakfast. Sometimes I make this when I'm really hungry but don't have much time to cook. It's all cut in wedges. Now we want to put all this in a blender. Okay. Now let's add tofu to it. Just roughly cut tofu like tomatoes. We're using 2 tomatoes and 100 grams of firm tofu today. We're going to add about half cup of milk to it, and this is stevia sweetener. I'm using half teaspoon of it. You can of course substitute this to a sugar, brown sugar, honey, syrup, whatever that is sweet. And we're going to use 1 tablespoon of vinegar. I'm using rice vinegar. It doesn't taste sour, but it brings a fresh flavor from the tomatoes. And I want this cold, so add a few ice to it. That's it. Now we're gonna blend it until smooth. I think it's done. See the beautiful color? This recipe makes 2 big cups of smoothie. Let me taste it. So good. It's very healthy, at the same time, yummy. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.